If you're a beginner, you don't want to miss this video, as I'll be showing you how to actually start trading and start making money from scratch. So you want to get rid of everything and start watching how to start making money and become a full-time trader. Yo, I'm Tabo. I'm a full-time trader. I've been trading for the last 8 years. I'm a professional trader who's been traveling around the world. So in this video, my aim and this channel is to start from scratch and show beginners how to start making money trading. So when you're a beginner or you're a struggling trader, this channel is perfect for you. So I'll be showing you exactly how to start trading. So this video is a start of me showing you the basics of trading, the things you need to know and fundamentals you need to know. So watch till the end of the video and I'll be showing you how to trade and I'm showing you how to make money with no BS. Alright? So if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Don't also forget to smash the like button. If you do enjoy my content, I'll be bringing more strategies and how ways to make money from trading, even if you're a beginner. Yes, I said it right, even if you're a beginner. I've tried and tested. I've been teaching people how to trade almost the last 8 years. So I know what I'm doing and I know what works and what doesn't work. All right. So let's get into the video and I'll show you the basics of trading, what you need to know when it comes to trading and to get started and start making money. So guys, we'll start with the very basics of trading so we know what really trading is from the beginning. So it starts with what is really trading. So trading is basically measuring the currency strength of two economies. So at each particular time, you measuring the economy of one country to the other. So we call these currency pairs, as you can see here, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. We call it pairs because you're always trading two, right? So for this one, it's the Euro currency against the US dollar. So the Euro economy against the US dollar. And then for here, the GBP is the Great British Pound against the US dollar. So the UK against the America. So in terms of economy. And then here, USD JPY and the US dollar against the Japanese yen. So the America currency against the Japanese currency. Simple as that. This is what we're checking in terms of when you're trading, when you call currency pairs. So this is Forex trading in a nutshell, if we're looking at currency pairs. So the first currency, we call it the base currency. I call it the boss currency. The second currency, we call it the quote currency. So as you can see here, the base currency is always in the front. It doesn't matter what. So when you see a currency pairs, two pairs, just know that the first one is a base, called a base. I say it's a boss, just to remember, base, boss. So in this case, Euro USD, the Euro is the boss, okay? But this doesn't really mean much, as I'll tell you later. But you just need to know what base is. Just base means it's in the front. Okay, so for this one, the Euro USD, Euro is the base, and then the quote currency is the USD. Okay, doesn't mean anything, like it doesn't mean this Euro is strong or USD is weak. It just means the name of the one that is in front, and the second one is a quote, base and quote, that is. Okay, we'll look at how we measure all of this as it goes into effect. And for here, the Great British Pound is the base currency and the USD is the quote currency. As you see in green, the green ones are the quotes and then the base is the rate. It's simple as that. So whenever you're looking at the pair, is it a base? Which one is a base? Which one is a quote? All right, let's move on. So if we look at this one, USD, JPY, the USD is a base currency and the JPY is a quote. All right, let's move on to the next one. So now currency pairs move in different ways. This is a very important, guys. All right, why I mean it's important is because I'll tell you something okay. So to know if the pair is moving up or down, we need to look at the currency pairs, how strong it is. So for an uptrend, then we need to, it will tell us what is actually doing. So let's look at if the pair, the particular pair, it could be USD or GBP/USD. If it is going up, we call it an uptrend. If it's going down, we call it a downtrend. If it's ranging, we call it going to the side, we call it a range. Okay, so how does this really happen? So we're looking at here now, an uptrend. So an uptrend, when the base currency is strong, then we know it's going up. Okay, yeah, well, I'll show you just what I mean. And then downtrend, this one, when your code currency, your uptrend is when your base is strong. It could also mean your code currency is weak. Those are the two combinations to make an uptrend. So we'll see just now what I mean by this. And then if you I look at a downtrend, so I'm actually looking at where the market is going. So when the base currency is weak, so if I mean base, the front pair, if it's weak, then we know it's a downtrend. Okay? Or it could be that when the code currency is strong. So either way makes it go up or down. We'll look at some examples just now. And then the range, or called consolidation, going sideways, is when the base currency is the same strength as a code currency. Okay, excuse the writing here. Okay, so this is basically what it means. We can just go back if you didn't understand it, but I just want to go on with an example that you can see. Okay, here's an example. So this one is an uptrend. We call it an uptrend because it's going up. As you can see, when it's an uptrend, it does higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. Like you can see, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, on and on. This is basically what this means. Okay, this is when it's going up. Okay, so this is when, so here in this particular case, the euro is strong. So because it's going up, remember I said when the base currency is strong, like here, which one is the base currency? The euro, right? So the euro is strong, so it should go up. And guys, when one is strong, which alternatively means this one should be weak. Otherwise, if it's the same, obviously it's not fulfilling the uptrend. So obviously if this is strong, this has to be weak. So they cannot be the same. That will mean it's ranging, or it's going to the side, right? So euro is strong here, or it could be that the USD is weak. So one of those conditions for an uptrend. Okay, so in this case the euro is strong, meaning the USD is weak, or it could just be the USD super weak, and then the euro automatically has a strength of being strong, and then we have an uptrend. All right, and then the downtrend is what I wanted to explain. So the same example, the euro USD is going, so the euro, the base should be weak, as you can see here. So what does it mean? The quote currency has to be strong, because if this one is weak, this one has to be strong. Then it's going down. That fulfills our downtrend. Or it could just be the USD is super strong, makes this weak. So yeah, so sometimes when you're trading, you can just say, oh, I'm seeing this, maybe there was some news in the USD or the America which makes the USD, the dollar, strong. Then it will, if the euro, there was no news, or it was just like there was no news, it was like the same like that throughout the week or the month, then you know that the USD is strong, then we are going downtrend for a long period of time. Then we'll see the lower lows and lower highs. So when you're going down, we call it the lower low and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. That's basically what it means. Okay, so either, sometimes also it could be the euro is just too weak. So maybe the news came out or something you see on the news that tells us that the euro is too weak. Then, if nothing happened to the US dollar, then it means it is strong. Even if we didn't hear that in the news they said it's strong, it all just means since the euro is super strong, this has to be weak. Alright, when you if it's going down, okay, and then you know we are going down. Otherwise it'll go sideways, which I'll show you just a second. Okay, so it has to be one of those. So, and it has to be really strong if it's strong, and this has to be super weak to be weak. So then you have a downtrend in this particular example. Okay, so in that example, we could have a euro USD, a euro as a quote currency, as a quote pair. So in that case, if the euro is weak and it was a quote in that particular, then obviously we will have an uptrend for that particular pair. But for this one, yeah. Right. Okay, and then if the euro USD, so the euro economy in the US, the American economy, the euro or the US dollar are the same, then it's ranging. This is a range sideways. Okay, it goes like this. So now, the other one wants to be strong, and this one pushes it down. It says I'm also strong. This one says I'm also strong. This one will say I'm also strong. So they're fighting for the power. So yeah, it really doesn't happen too much, but sometimes it does. Okay, and it can be frustrating sometimes, but yeah, you'll know how to trade it, as we'll be showing you more ways how to trade this. So in this case, the euro and the USD are the same. Okay guys, so we look at some live examples so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so in this pair, so we have a GBP USD. Don't mind what I did here, it's just like I'll be showing you on this channel how to trade and how to make money, so don't worry about it just now. Just look at what I'm trying to explain. Okay, so euro, this one is a GBP USD, so the Great British pound against the USD. Simple, right? So here it's going down. So as we know from what we learned, it's a downtrend, which means either the GBP, which is a base, is strong, or the USD, the GBP is weak, or the USD is strong. So it's either, that's why it's going down. Okay, although you don't really need to know the economy of it as much, but I'll be showing you, as I said, strategies how to do it. So the important thing, we know this is a downtrend. All right, here it was an uptrend, so which means here the GBP was super strong compared to the USD. That's why it was an uptrend. So on uptrends where the base is strong or the quote is weak, we are buying. So we'll be looking at adding buy. So in this chart, I'll say new order, for example, and then I say buy. Why am I buying? Because it's going up. On uptrend, we are buying. On a downtrend, we are selling. That's simple as that. Also, with people who maybe come from crypto, I know I had this a lot with my students who are just asking me questions about it, but if we buy here, we just wait until it reaches our target. So if I'm targeting this level, for example, this level of 1.304, you let the market, you buy and don't do anything until it takes profit there, or once it reaches there, you just close your profits. There's no, it's not saying I buy here and I'm selling in there. Alright, here you just do one thing and you close once you have profits or losses. Okay, that's the, whereas with crypto, I know I've trained some students from crypto who say, I'm buying here, should I sell here because now I'm taking my profit? No, here we're not selling, we just close your profit. Okay, right, so buy, and then if now you see it's going down, we can start selling. For example, I'd be selling here because it's a downtrend. Alright, so we don't do two actions. So for example, if I sold here, of which I did this week, we made a lot of money. With all the signals I give out like free signals to people. Yeah, you can check my Telegram group and see yourself. We're having a very high win rate. Okay, this is just me giving back now. I'm just helping more people who are serious about trading take their life to the next level. So yeah, so it's going down here, we're selling. And take your profits wherever you want it. So you just close it. So as you can see, I have a trade which I bought, GBP. Let's actually look at GBP USD. So I'll just hypothetically look at it. Let's just open it. Okay, I'm gonna do, and you'll see what I mean by you don't have to, you just have to press one. So yeah, it's a good one. Okay, and put my layers. Okay, so as you can see, I sold. It was going down. I saw it was going down. So I saw it was going down, doing lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So I took a small buy today. Why? This is just me scalping. You could just wait, obviously, but you know, it's a downtrend, you should be selling. But for me, I'm a professional trader, so I know when I should be buying. I can even scalp when it's going back to the opposite direction and buy it. You know, just like I'm doing here. Normally, when I tell people just sell because it's a downtrend. Remember, on a downtrend, we are selling. So we only look at sells. Alright, but in my case, I just did a small, because it's going to go up and down. It's an up down like that. Okay, so yeah, don't worry guys, we'll talk about all of this in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you learn more of my techniques and all of that. But in any case, let's just look closer to this. So let's say I was looking at this part only. It's an uptrend, right? I was scalping this. How do I know it's an uptrend? There's a higher highs. So if I do this one, higher highs and higher low. I'm just using this as an example, higher high and higher low. This is just an example, guys. And you have a higher low. There. So it should again come down a bit and go up, but we don't know. It could go down. Again, it's all about probabilities. Any case, you know, it's short term is going up. So which means the Great British Pound in that specific sphere or time that I'm trading it's stronger. So for the short term, the GBP, the Great British Pound, is strong. But in the long term, it's always going to go down because the overall. But if we're looking at just this is an uptrend. Okay, so for the 5 minutes, okay, so it's a nice uptrend, all right? High highs and high lows. So we know GBP is strong and NZD is weak. Or it could just be the NZD super weak, which makes it GBP stronger for a little bit, at least for this 5 minutes, okay? All right, so that's basically, we're gonna look at another one quickly, okay. All right, let's just look at a naked one quickly. Okay, so I'll just do this one. Okay, so in this space here, the trade was a downtrend. So this currency pays the Euro USD, perfect. Just lower low with the lower high. Again, lower low with the lower high. So we know from what we learned that what is weak or what is happening. In this case, you know, Euro, I'll hear from you. Can you try guess which one is weak or what is happening between the Euro and the USD? Is the Euro weak or is the USD weak? Remember, go check your notes, it's a downtrend. So we want the USD to be strong or the euro to be weak. So either or, it's between the two. We don't know what, but we're just looking. We just know. We don't really need to know why. Just look at, is it a downtrend or uptrend? All right. Or if you're gonna trade it, for example, if you know the economy of the USD is so strong compared to the euro, then you know we are selling at that particular point. So it's at lower lows and lower highs, and it does this. And then it went up stronger again, and then here. So currently now it's doing again lower low, meaning the USD is super strong again, and the euro is weak. So you can sometimes check the news and be like, oh, okay, I know USD is super strong. And if there's no news for the euro, it automatically means we are going down. It's a downtrend because the core currency is so strong. Or if you just saw the news the euro was too weak, then we know the USD should be strong if nothing happened, right? Okay, more into that later, as I say. But I hope you get what I'm trying to say, and I hope this is very insightful for you. If you do enjoy the video, don't forget to smash that like button if you're still enjoying the content. And yeah, but yeah, this is basically it. We'll look at how it consolidates. Let's look at how it consolidates. I'm sure there was a space where it did. Or we look at another pair. I can't really see anything yet. Let's see. Hopefully this can. Okay, this one is perfect. So as you can see, if you look at this section here, so this section here, from the 10th of July till the 31st of July, it was ranging. You see, they were both fighting for this particular pair, which is the AUD. You must look at this here, AUD and ZD. So from here to there, they are fighting. You see, this one wants to go strong, and then it does a low, but they're not going above or below. So it's not like uptrend where the AUD was strong, and it's here like what is happening here. It's not like the AUD is now weak or the NZD is strong, you know. Here it's happening, but here they're both fighting. This is what we call the range or consolidation. They're both fighting. None of them are strong. So that particular time, they were both strong. So that's basically how it is. And I hope you did enjoy the video, guys. And yeah, hopefully this was very insightful. Well, as I say more, we'll keep digging in. Yo guys, I hope this video was insightful. It was the start of many videos that I'll put for you. And as I always say, don't forget to leave your comments down below, or leave anything you want to leave, or likes, or anything. And if you have any questions, as I said, I'll be more than happy to answer these questions for you. Remember, trading is all about a journey, and I'm there for you to help you learn trading. On my next video, I'll be showing you how to now set up your Forex trading MetaTrader to start trading. Check out the video that I'll put next, where I'll be showing you how to get started with putting your platforms and get started.